friends, welcome back to our channel Homestyle Fusion. We saw how to make a cross in previous video. If you have missed to watch it, please check the link in the description box below.
Now I'm going to show you how to solve the first layer, which means all white here. So now I turn my Rubik's cube upside down like this. So now I find for my one white corner. Here one is. Okay. So now I find red and green are over here. So I find red and green middle. One of the green is here but red is not here. So here is one. The red, I turn it here. Now it's in perfect place. Now I'm going to show you the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. So now the corner is fit, but it's in the wrong position. It's the wrong white corner. So now still let's do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. So now it's in the correct position. Here white corner is here and it's in the correct position. So now I do the same thing for all the corners. So here is orange and blue. I turn it here and after doing the algorithm it would be fit like this. Okay. So now I do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R prime, U prime. Now it came? Yeah, it just finally came. So now I am done with this whole line. So I got this green also, one whole line. So same I do for all of my corners. Here is one corner, it's blue and red. So I find blue and red. Here they are. Now I do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. If it didn't come, the edge is already gone. So now you can double turn it again like this. So here is the corner. We do the algorithm step. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. So now it came finally. So now we do the rest of the corners. Now there are only 2 more corners. We'll finish that. Here blue and orange. So I find blue and orange here. So now we do the algorithm. R U R prime U prime. Now we are going to do a short form if it does not come for a long time. If the white corner is over here, we can do the short form. R U prime R prime U. Now we will do with the last corner. Here it is and I turn it over here. It's in perfect match. Now I do the algorithm. R U R prime U prime. Now our whole white is solved. Now we also have all corners and edges in this part. So now we are done.